Capture life in 4K. The pocket-sized powerhouse that'll make your vlogs pop. Meet the Stuogium 4K digital camera, your personal paparazzi in a sleek, compact body. This 48MP autofocus beast captures true-to-life colors and ultra-sharp details, making your travel vlogs, selfies, and YouTube content look cinematic in pro level. Need to zoom in on that perfect sunset or a sneaky squirrel? The 16x digital zoom has you covered. Plus, with anti-shake stabilization, you'll say goodbye to shaky, blurry shots forever. Whether you're a beginner, teen, or social media star in the making, this camera turns everyday moments into masterpieces, without breaking the bank. Tired of low-res, potato-quality footage? This 4K Ultra HD camera makes sure your memories are crisp, clear, and worthy of a Hollywood debut. Thanks to the CMOS image sensor, colors pop, lighting is balanced, and every frame looks stunningly professional. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs, family moments, or your next viral TikTok, this camera delivers jaw-dropping quality without the complexity of bulky DSLRs. The built-in microphone ensures clean, clear audio, so your videos sound as sharp as they look. Your vlogging glow-up starts now. No more guessing games, this camera's autofocus system locks onto your subject with laser precision. Just press the shutter halfway, and when the focus frame turns green, boom, picture-perfect clarity. Want to zoom in on distant landscapes or street scenes? The 16x digital zoom lets you get up close and personal without moving an inch. Whether it's capturing a hummingbird mid-flight or a breathtaking cityscape, this camera ensures you never miss the magic. Why settle for meh when you can have mind-blowing shots every time? Nothing kills a vlogging streak faster than a dead battery, but not with this camera. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, and it records while charging. That means you never have to pause the action, whether you're filming a time-lapse, a concert, or your dog doing something hilarious. The pause function lets you stop and resume recording seamlessly, saving you from a million tiny video clips. Oh, and did we mention it doubles as a webcam? Just mount it on a tripod, and you're ready for crystal-clear Zoom calls, streaming, or content creation. Who says you need to drop big bucks to get big results? This camera packs premium features, 4K resolution, autofocus, anti-shake, a 32GB memory card, and a pocket-sized design, all at a shockingly affordable price. It's durable, stylish, and beginner-friendly, making it the perfect gift for teens, aspiring bloggers, and casual photographers. Plus, with a full after-sales guarantee and 24/7 support, you're covered from day one. If you want a high-tech, hassle-free camera that punches way above its weight, this Stuogium 4K digital camera is the one to grab.